tutorial we will learn MySQL string functions. MySQL string functions manipulate the character string data effectively. Here you can see there are some MySQL string functions which is length, concat, insert, locate, repeat and left. We directly see how it works into the database. Open your MySQL command line client. The first function is the insert function. In insert function, a string str is passed with a position which tells at which position the character is to be placed, and length is the length of the character to be placed. For insert function, use syntax select insert. It takes 4 arguments, or we can say 4 parameters. First is the string. Here you can specify any string. Here I am using MySQL function string. Then second is the count. Again count. And last is the substring. In this query, MySQL function is the main string. String is the substring, and in main string, at the 6 counts here in this string, 6 count returns the dash. In that dash we have to replace this our substring. Here you can see in this main string, that means MySQL dash function, in that string dash is removed by string. Now locate function. Locate function returns the first occurrence of given substring in the string. Locate function takes 2 arguments. Here I am giving first string is the point and second string is the Java T point. Here you can see it returns 6. That means this is substring and this is our main string. In main string, it search the substring is available on which count or which number. This number returns locate function. Now the repeat function. The repeat function repeats a string for a specified number of times. Here you select repeat. Repeat function takes 2 arguments. First is the string and second is the count. Here I am giving first string is your database. And here I am giving count. Here you can see in repeat function it returns the database string 3 times. Here if you provide count 4 or any other number, it repeat that number. We can say, or it repeats this string this number of times. Here I am specifying 5. It returns this string 5 times. Now the left function. Select left. left function returns the left side length characters from the given string. Left function takes two arguments. Here I am giving input string, and second input is, or second argument is the count. Here it returns the left three characters. If we provide count 4, that time it returns left 4 character. Now the length function returns the length of the specified string, which is measured in bytes. Here again you select length. Length function takes one argument. Here I am giving input as a tutorial. It returns the count of that particular string. Here you can see it returns the output 8 because the length of tutorial string is 8. Now the concat function. Select concat. It combines two or more strings. User can give any number of arguments. Here I am giving first argument data, second argument base. Here you can see we got output as a database. Again we take another example. Here you can see first string is the data, second string is the base, and third string is the values. It combines two or more than two strings, and we got output database values. Thank you guys.